Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I got this little message on Facebook from Andrew Higgs. He's also one of my patrons, and he says he's been following me since I was in Portland. But he wrote, I don't suppose if you get 5, you could maybe recreate this in your style. Could you please, Scott? I know it's a big ask, so say no if you haven't got time. But of course I got time. I'm retired. Anyway, this is a seal character he wanted me to do in his own style, but I think this one has a lot of flair too. I like his flippity flippers. That's what they're called, flippers. And then and he's walking. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and re-sketch this, do a little drawing. So the thing I see, the first thing is the line of action. So I'm going to make an S shape right here. Okay. And this will be the head of the seal. I want to make the head a little bit bigger than how Andrew had it. And come down here. And I'm going to have the tail kind of like it's going back. Almost like a fish. And then the head is here. And I'm going to do the nose. I need to bring this out more, make a little bit bigger. This will be the seal's nose. Kind of a Mickey Mouse looking seal. Like that. And then you want the eyes looking up. The snowballs will be here, and so the eyes are looking up at the snowballs. And then it's flappers or whatever they're called. I don't know what those are called. Not really fins, but kind of like fins. And then the Santa hat will come around the head, like so. Make it furry. And then I think what I'll do is kind of continue the line of action around like this. So the top of the Santa hat will be flipping up to follow this line of action, kind of like so. And then the furry end of that. Like so. Okay. You can erase some of these guidelines. Don't really need those. You see how I do that, where I bring this down like that? It pushes it in front of the background. Let's give them a... You can also make the eyebrows actually extend past things like hats and hair or whatever. And I guess seals are mostly gray, but maybe they have I don't think they have a white stomach. I think they're all gray. I'm not really sure. And I notice you have some lines on yours, white lines and stuff, and I'm not sure what those indicate. but you can add those if you want. So I'll put some snow back here. Maybe some snow mountains. But actually, we should probably make it, put some like ocean behind it too, like it's at the sea. So these are not mountains now, they're just mounds of snow, because I've changed the perspective. But and then here you got your snowballs. One's tilting this way a little, one's tilting that way. Like so. And then probably have a little shadow underneath the guy. Maybe over here you could have maybe a fish popping out. Let's take away this stuff here. Maybe a fish like popping out, look kind of like hey, what's going on? Like he's surprised. Maybe he's got his fin up to his face. He's like, hey, what's going on? He's like coming out of a little hole in the ice. He's like, what is happening? It's fun to add little characters like this because it adds more to the illustration, you know, gives it more personality and interaction between characters. It's like you have the character here and then you have another character reacting to it. Maybe put some little drops here, like coming off of him. But he's like questioning, like, what is going on? You could also add a happy sun reacting too. A little happy face sun. Put some ocean birds behind it. Then maybe over here you could have the island, some kind of island in the background. Anyway, I hope that helps, Andrew. Gives you an idea of more kind of my style. Although yours looks pretty cool too. I really like it. I like that he's walking along. Alrighty, we'll post this for you